Hello friends, this is your bonus spelling test for Unit 23. Make sure your name is on your paper and let's get started. Word number 1, lagoon. The dolphins were playing in the lagoon. Lagoon. Number 2, igloo. In Alaska, you can build an igloo out of snow. Igloo. Number 3, Google. It's easy to look things up when you use Google. Number 4, bookshelf. When you're done reading the book, put it back on the bookshelf. Number 5, cookbook. A cookbook never goes out of style. Cookbook. Number 6, balloon. The balloon floated up into the sky. Balloon. Number 7, goosebump. The chill in the wind caused a goosebump to come up on her arm. Goosebump. Number 8, afternoon. This afternoon we will go home at 3:15. Afternoon. Number 9, cartoon. The best cartoon to watch is one that makes you laugh. Cartoon. And number 10, raccoon. In The Kissing Hand, the main character is a raccoon. Okay, now here are your dictation sentences. There are 3 of them. Sentence number 1, will you look at that man in the pool? Sentence number 2, I will eat soon and read a book. And sentence 3, did you take the tool and the boot? Okay, this concludes your bonus spelling test for Unit 23.